good. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video of me unboxing a fresh pair of sneakers that I recently got my hands on. So this time is none other than this particular brand called Asian, and probably the brand ambassador is our MS Dhoni. So the sneaker that I purchased this time is the AIRWAVE-02 and it's priced at around 2849, but probably you can definitely get a huge discount when you purchase it from any online store. So let's dive into it, guys. And this is the shoe.
Oh my god! Wow!
And you can probably tell from the first look of it, it looks really premium, and it is, I would say. So I'll just give a close-up look of this particular sneaker so that you guys can have a good look of this shoe. So this is how the texture looks like up close, and here's a 360 view. So you got the Air Max thing going on out here, and you know the fit and finish of this particular sneaker is really nice, as you can tell. And guys, I've worn this shoe for a couple of minutes, like 5 minutes or so, and you can from the first wear of it, even for a short period of time, you can definitely tell that the quality and the comfortness on the feet wearing this shoe is really good. I'll give 10 out of 10. And when it comes to the branding, you can see the branding out here on the tongue. You can see the branding on the back side of the tongue as well, and you have a branding on the outer side as well, outer part of the shoe out here. You don't get to see any branding out here on the outer sole, but the quality and the design of this thing, it's really nice. You definitely have a good grip when you are probably on a slippery surface if you are walking or running. And on the inner sole you have the memory sole out here, and it is really nice. The quality, it feels really good on your feet, and the texture, the cushion that they have used to prepare this shoe is really top notch, I would say. And the color combination, as you can see, guys, you have the dark bluish thing going on out here, you have the neon, and even on the laces, as you can see, there's white textures things they have used so that they could come up with a very unique design and unique color combination that they have used on this to create this beautiful sneaker, I would say. So I'm very satisfied, guys. I bought this shoe at a very discounted price of around 1,500, and this is going to be my go-to shoe for my gym, when I go for jogging in the morning. I'm definitely going to wear this, and probably in a month or two I'll be able to give a good feedback or a better feedback. But overall, I would say this is one of the go-to shoe if you're looking for a budget shoe, or if you're looking budget along with the looks. So this is one of the sneakers that you can consider purchasing. So here is how it looks like, both the sneaker, and the size that I got is a UK 8, and it really feels comfortable on your feet. I've been using this phrase quite a lot, but definitely you can definitely go for this sneaker. That is what I am want to convey to you guys. And you have a branding out here as well. You have the picture of MS Dhoni and his signature as well, written as Mahi, M-A-H-I. So guys, let me know in the comment how do you feel about this shoe, and if you have already worn, let me know in the comment the feedback that you guys will like to share. And if you want a link to this particular sneaker, you can definitely comment down below. I will love to share the link, but you have to comment down below first so that I can share the link to you guys. So here it is, guys. I'll just take a thumbnail So yeah guys, that is it. Hope you guys like this video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, share and subscribe. I make videos on motovlog, on traveling, and yeah guys, I make videos on shoes as well that I get to review on my channel. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching once again, and God bless you all. Have a nice day. Bye bye.